Are you a smart worker or are you a hard worker? A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Success often requires 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. So, hard work or smart work? Which is better? Let's discuss about some exciting examples. First of all, let's discuss the story of Abhishek and Amit. Abhishek and Amit, two engineering students. Amit was a very regular student who used to follow all the routines and was very meticulous in studies and used to attend almost all classes, and also he used to study for a long duration. But Abhishek, on the other hand, was a very intelligent, smart, and he believed in enjoying the life. And he always used to bunk most of his classes, and he only used to scan through the subject during the examination. On the receipt of this result, it has been always observed that Abhishek used to score better marks than Amit. Amit used to ask Abhishek that why is this happening? So, what are the learnings from this? Let's discuss. Actually, Abhishek is very goal oriented and he always achieves his goal with the least effort and in the least time. He always prioritizes the area in which he needs his hard work. Amit, but he is always lacking the direction and he does not prioritize his work. So, what is this an example of? Either hard work or smart work. This is an example of smart work. So, how to define smart work? I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. Words of Bill Gates. Smart work. What does smart work actually mean? Smart work means doing quality work in least time with least expense and with least labor by using your intelligence instead of taking longer time, greater labor and greater cost. So, let's discuss another story. The story of Thirsty Crow. We all learned in our childhood about the story of Thirsty Crow. So, let's discuss. There was a desperately thirsty crow who finds an earthen pitcher with water in the bottom. His beak was too short to reach the level of the water. The clever crow was very hardworking and intelligent. He thought of a plan and he started patiently dropping pebbles lying in nearby location into the pitcher until the water level rises. And finally he reached it and he drank the water. So, this is the story of the thirsty crow. And what are the learnings from this? This story is definitely an example of hard work and innovative approach towards problem solving. The lesson from the story is hard work is not an option. It is a necessity to achieve your goal. You cannot enjoy your life by shaming and shirking your responsibility. You may be happy for a short duration, but permanent happiness can only be achieved by consistent hard work. So, actually, what is this an example of? Hard work. So, how to define this hard work? Hard work, it will make you successful. Words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, what is actually hard work? Hard work is the ability to never stop and never give up until you succeed. If you took a smarter way to achieve your goal, so be it. Hard work only refers to the relentless effort to accomplish the goals right away. So, actually what is needed? Hard work or smart work? I would recommend prudent work is needed. So, what is prudent work? Let's explain this with an example. One day at Firozpur, one 18 kVA generator which is required with our radar has become defective. Everybody tried their level best to repair it but failed. Ultimately, a genius craftsman came from Batala who was a master in repairing all types of generating set. His name was Santa Singh. Mr. Santa Singh took out a hammer from his toolbox and he made strike at 3 places and he just connected 2 wires and 18 kVA generator becomes functional. But when he gave the bill, everybody was really shocked to learn that the bill amount was 5,000. For 5 minutes, 5,000 rupees? Why would he have been charged so exorbitantly? Let's discuss. What are the learnings from this actually? It is very important to use hard work, but at the same time, you must know where to use this hard work as, and this is actually known as prudent working. Hard work does not guarantee success, but it improves the chances. Hard work leads to smart work. It goes with profound saying that practice makes a man perfect. Smartness is gradually acquired with persistent effort and experience. So, the question is up to you. What is the key to success? Hard work or smart work? You can decide. So, our conclusion. Actually, effort is very important, but knowing to where to put the effort makes all the difference. Hard work and smart work both are required to accomplish our objectives. Even smart working people will have to resort to hard work for achievement of their objective. Therefore, somebody has said, believe in yourself, work hard, work smart to achieve what you wish to achieve. And finally, before winding up, I have a question for you. We all listen to successful persons' success mantra. So, what is the common success mantra of top 10 entrepreneurs? Do they have a common success mantra? Yes, they have a common success mantra. So, the question is, what is the common success mantra of top 10 entrepreneurs? So, see you in the next video. It's School 5 signing off. Learn, share knowledge, and have fun.